mullein. And if you pick the flowers, you make cough syrup with that. That's last year's. So that's seeding. So I think I'm going to pick a few. Leave plenty to come out. Just seed head from last year. I'm not sure if there's still seeds in there, perhaps. Could crush it a bit. Go and focus there for me. There we go. Anyway, help spread them. Let the beetles escape. The colour of that. This looks like sweet corn, doesn't it? But look at the size of this one, look. That must be 8 foot from last year. There's plenty of seeds, which is good. There's plenty of them, but they are struggling this year. So I'll only take a little bit. Majestic plants, aren't they? Amazing. A little one there. Beautiful, they'll come next year, I imagine. Some more over there, look. I think those are probably set down the bottom there. Seeded there, look, how pretty are they? Rosette of beauty. Very beautiful, also quite good as loo roll, but only if there's a shortage for some reason. I might just scatter these a bit, get the seeds out. Well, they're probably doing a pretty good job themselves, without me interfering. Good girl. Plenty of this rose bay willow herb here. I wonder if we can do anything with it. It says it's a herb, so we'll see. Certainly in abundance. Anyway, we could probably make half a jar of these. So, don't want to overdo it. Another one over there. Right. Been a couple of hours since I picked these, and I've just left them outside so all the bugs just run away, to be fair. And I'm just might be a bit ambitious with this jar, but I can always pick some more. I didn't want to pick all of them. So what you do is you put some sugar and you just layer it like so. A layer of sugar. Oops, might be a bit much in that. Layer of sugar and a layer of flowers. Never tried this is the first time. So you'll see, it's supposed to be very good cough syrup, and as Mullein's supposed to have really good anti-inflammatory properties. Sorry. So there's no harm. Pick them off land with their own permission, which finish off a little bit of sugar on the top there. And what you want to do with this is seal it tight. Do that and put it on your windowsill in a sunny position. Well, it's dark at the moment, but I'm going to put it somewhere sunny. I might put it upstairs actually, that's better. So you leave it out for 3 weeks. You can top it up if you want to, and then it'll melt down to syrup. So we'll have a look at it after 3 weeks. Interesting.